Sarap. Ayan, si BH yung number 6. Tapos yung number 45 is eyeglass. And si number 15. Tsaka si Kuya Shad. Ito. Oo. Saka si kaya kapimen. Butay sa kayo. Number 6, BH, waiting, almost got it. Pagod. Number 31 to number 4. Number 4, almost got it. Sean J-Lo on the move. Sean J-Lo. Sean, spin, fake, whoa! Almost number 7, get it. Number 21, Josh. Almost got it, faking. Step through. In and out, got it. Almost got it. To number 7. Number 7 on the move. On the left side. Number 7 again. And gets the basket. 2 points. Again, number 7. Made a 3-point play. Let's see on Beto Raza. Yes, and he gets the free throw lane. 3-point play coming from Vendorosa. Number 21, Josh. Well, number 45, Sean. Spin, fades. Number 15, 2 points. Cross. Opia, side ball. Number 7, Ventoraza, setting up the play. Number 4, finding the open man. Back to number 7, Pass on the left side, takes the 3. No, number 45. Josh for the rebound. But gets the foul in the arms. Putting himself in the free throw lane. Dalawa pare. Garcia. And he gets 1 out of 2. setup, number 27, up and over, and gets the basket, number 27, Adora, what a Pinoy step. Grabe. Ganyan din kami ni Tobek sa panaginip. First throw. Sean, fading. Oh my goodness, Sean Jelo. 2 points. Ang ganda ng jersey mo, pare. Old school na old school. Oy, hinaan. Kanino? Oy, kay Okray ang bola. Mark. And yes, sir. Controls. Good defense coming from Okray. For coming from the seal and convert. Inside pass. Adora. And gets the lucky roll. Okay. Josh on the left side to number 6. Number 6, BH. Oy! That's a foul. Blocking foul. Sean. Moves and offensive. Offensive. Bumawi. Yeah. Offensive. Adora number 27. Number 31. No. Oh, Adora. Gets the shot. No. Sean J-Lo on the move. Sean, yung gagawin mo. Oh, slips in the hand. Number 27. Adora flies. What a defense coming from Okray. Okray. BH. BH. And gets the 2 points from BH. 14-11. Ayos, ang ganda laro. Sino sabi walang tingin sa Papawis TV? Number 27 to number 7 to number 4. No, Sean Jano grabs the rebound. Sean Jano to number 6. Number 6, BH. 2 points. 13-14. Adora. Quickness. Oh, nakatayo na. Denied. Alright. Anong gagawin mo? Takes the shot. No shot. Garcia defense. Oh, what a behind the back fake to number 31. Oh, and almost BH pushing forward. BH, anong gagawin mo, BH? BH, drop it, shot, and number 15-14, change favor. Adora Tulen. My goodness. No. Number 15 takes the shot and 2 points. On the right side to number 27. Number 27 setting up the play on the middle. Cross. Takes the 4 point. Ay! Ayos, ayos. Sean grabs the rebound. Anong gagawin mo, Sean? Roll pass. Opia. Betoranza. No, Adora grabs the ball. Splits. Step back to number 7. Faking to the right side. Number 4. Sean on the move. Ayos na. Sean Jalo. Oh, what a play! Pushing forward, nabulot ako dito. 15 seconds remaining. Grabe yung hustle ni Sean. Yan ang gusto kay Sean eh, yung hustle eh. Cobra, it takes the shot to BH. Inside. No.